Ping Ping, are you eating a green bean? Is that yummy green bean? Is she eating the whole thing? You ate the whole green bean?
Oh my god, she did.
She's like, listen, Mama said if I eat my vegetables, I will grow up to be a big girl. And I want to be big ninja.
Oh my god.
Busted! I heard it. Ping Ping. You made Anya laugh so hard she tooted. She's like, this green bean is delicious. What are you looking for? It's right in front of your face. Hello. There you go. Ping, you are a goof.
What she that's eating?
Ping Ping, you like green beans? She's like, I love it so much I eat with my eyes closed. Because I just love it so much. Oh, I love this green bean. I love this green bean.